How you doing? It's Mr. D again. So on this next example, we're going to practice changing from percent to fraction. So the first thing you can do is simply take that percentage and put it over 100 to get your initial fraction. Now, sometimes you might be done at that point. Other times you may have to do a little simplifying. So for part A, we have 53. So 53 over 100. Now, there's no simplifying to do there because 53 and 100 don't have a common factor. There's nothing that will divide into both of them. So that's as simple as that fraction can be. Okay, now our next example is 24 and 1/2. So I do the same principle. I do 24 and 1/2 over 100, but problem is I've got a mixed number in the numerator. So in that instance, whatever your denominator is of the fraction part of that, that's what you'll multiply the top and the bottom by. Okay, that will end up canceling out that fraction that's in the numerator. So 2 times 24 is 48, and 2 times 1/2 is 1. So 48 and 1 is 49. So I have 49 in the top. And in the bottom, 2 times 100 is 200. And like the first one, once I have that point, sometimes I might be able to simplify, but 49 and 200 aren't divisible by a common factor. So it's simplified. Okay, then the next one I have just plain 8 over 100. Now 8 and 100 will both divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 100 divided by 2 is 50. And guess what? 4 and 50 will divide by 2 again. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 50 divided by 2 is 25. So the simplest version of that fraction is 2 over 25. The last one, we have 14.2. So that's 0.2 is like 2/10. So just like on example B, I have a mixed number. The denominator of the fraction part is 10. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 10. So when I multiply 14 and 2/10 by 10, I get 142. When I multiply the 100 by 10 in the denominator, I get 1,000. 142 and 1,000 both divide by 2. 142 divided by 2 is 71. And 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. And that's as simple as we can go. So that's how you convert percentages to fractions.